Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen today. So today we're making a very simple and delicious recipe. We're making a berry fruit salad. And this is what we're making. And so the ingredients are really simple. We're using strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberry, and a little bit of honey. So I really want to thank everybody for watching. All my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab all our ingredients and make a berry fruit salad. For our berry fruit salad, we are going to need strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and honey. So we have washed and dried all our fruits. So to a bowl, we are going to be adding in our blackberries, our raspberries, our blueberries. Oops, missed that one. Gotta put them out to the side. So here. Let's go. There we go. And we're adding in our strawberries, which we have ordered. And now we're going to add about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of honey. And that looks about good. Yeah. And now we're going to give this a good mix. Make sure everything gets coated with the honey. And then we're going to pop this in the refrigerator and let this cool down, or not cool down, but chill for about 2 hours. And then we're going to get this served up. Okay, so this has been chilling in the fridge for roughly 2 hours. So let's get us some berry fruit salad. So give this another quick mix here real quick. Get some blueberries, some strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. That seems good. So, doesn't that look delicious? So, let's give this a quick try. Oh yeah. I'm a big fan of berries. Oh yeah. That touch of honey gives that little bit of sweetness that's different from the berries. So I hope everyone gives this recipe a try. If you do, leave me a message in my comments below and let me know what you think. And for all my new viewers, I want to say welcome and thank you for watching. And remember, hit that like, share, and notification button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And for all my current subscribers, I really do want to say thank you for helping me keep my channel going. So I'm going to finish up the rest of this little bowl, and I hope everybody has a good day.